The World Economic Forum annual meeting 2026 is set to begin on January 19 in Davos, Klosters, Switzerland, with the Alpine town bracing for a massive influx of global power brokers amid unprecedented security. More than 3,000 leaders from government, business, academia, multilateral bodies, civil society, and labor unions are expected to attend the 5-day summit, held this year under a theme of a spirit of dialogue in an increasingly fragmented world. US President Donald Trump is expected to be the biggest political draw at Davos, arriving with the largest ever US delegation, including at least 5 cabinet secretaries. Secretary of State Marco Rubio, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, Energy Secretary Chris Wright, and US Trade Representative Jamieson Greer are going to be there alongside Trump. The meeting will also see the participation of more than 30 foreign ministers, over 60 finance ministers and central bank governors, and more than 30 trade ministers. Top global leaders attending include Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney, German Chancellor Friedrich Merz, French President Emmanuel Macron, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen, Chinese Vice Premier He Lifeng, Swiss President Guy Parmelin, and Ukrainian President Zelensky. At the same time, India is set for one of its strongest representation at Davos. Davos has turned into a high-security fortress as it prepares to host the World Economic Forum annual meeting with more than 5,000 armed security personnel, snipers, positioned strategic vantage points, AI-powered surveillance drones, and advanced systems to counter cyber espionage and spyware threats. With US President Donald Trump confirmed to attend and a strong Indian delegation also expected, security arrangements this year are being described as unprecedented. The town is no longer marked by only black business suits, but also by the blue, black, and yellow uniforms of the army, police, and other security agencies. Multi-layer security checks have been put in place at all entry points, along with random inspections across the town, reflecting the high-risk, high-profile nature of the gathering. From India, at least 4 union ministers, Ashwini Vaishnaw, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Prahlad Joshi, K. Ram Mohan Naidu, are expected to attend, along with 6 chief ministers and over 100 top Indian CEOs. The chief ministers expected includes Maharashtra's Devendra Fadnavis, Andhra Pradesh's N. Chandrababu Naidu, Assam's Himanta Biswa Sarma, and Madhya Pradesh Mohan Yadav, and Telangana's Revant Reddy, and Jharkhand's Hemant Soren. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar was earlier expected to attend but has opted out due to domestic commitments. In addition, Gujarat Deputy Chief Minister Harsh Sanghvi and high-level delegations from Uttar Pradesh and Kerala will also be present in Davos. Indian leaders are expected to feature prominently in panel discussions, including a key session titled "Can India Become the World's Third Largest Economy?" India's corporate presence will be equally significant, with business leaders across the attend including Mukesh Ambani, N. Chandrasekharan, Sanjeev Baja, and other bigwigs. Former Union Minister Smriti Irani will also be present as the founder, chairperson of the Alliance for Global Good, Gender Equality and Equity, an initiative launched in Davos itself. With geopolitics, economic uncertainty, global security, and climate challenges high on the agenda, Davos 2026 is expected to be a defining platform for global dialogue and decision making.